I start to think about a character that showed to us something, that was in a border between our nature, and in a kind of way was a character that accepted the inner monster that was becoming. So I think the idea was start to tell a story, about our border and start to develop a character that we can't judge at the end. So we just start because we have this big opportunity to be in a competition at Venice in September, and I think everything started there because until there we don't show the movie because you can't show the movie to the festival until the screening, and we just start now, and so we are here in the first screening outside the Venice. Is the Spanish premiere. We've been in Columbus at Ohio a couple of weeks ago, and I think it's going very good. We just start. We have some festival. It's important because your short movie comes to the festival for the audience. It's the only distribution way you have with a short movie. So we are working a lot to find festival, and it's going pretty good. Yeah. In the specific, I'm developing for a feature film. It's in a kind of way it's connected to this short movie, and so we hope to start bringing the short movie in the festival, start to speak with other producers, and the future is to make the feature film. Yeah, hope soon. Oh, it was amazing when I start to know that you got us. I was super happy. The first thing I did is, okay, I have to go there because I know Molins. I know that there's 38 years that has a horror and fantasy festival, so it was great to know, and it's great to be here. Of course, you have a great audience. There was all the theater sold out to see short movie. It's not a thing that we used to, because short movie, sometimes you go and you have the empty theater, so it's amazing experience. Yeah.